Alright, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, to Surrey's Worst Drivers. So this was just something that was going on in my neighborhood. But yeah, check that out. It's called House on Wheels. But anyways, don't you just love that people don't stop for stop signs anymore? It's just like a regular occurrence every day. Like, look at that. Like a full car's length didn't even stop. It's ridiculous. And the person in front here, as you can see, is trying to turn left illegally on a double yellow, which is illegal to do, and they're causing a backup, and now the traffic's green. And then this person on the right, as you can see, what the heck are they doing? It's green light. So I don't know. People are just, they don't know how to drive anymore. And then here I back up, and then this I go, and then the truck decides to back up, so I stop. I'm like, okay, back up. And then this dude beside me ends up going around and then driving past. It's just super, super crazy in Surrey right now for driving. And then this person's up backing up, so I had to back up, or they were going to back up into me. And then this guy was obviously drunk because he had his left turn signal on and he was not turning left. He was swerving back and forth. As you can see, he's not staying straight in his lane. He's kind of going from far right to left and then back to right. And just has his turn signal on the whole way. This was on the highway, by the way, so it's pretty crazy. See, he's swerving all the way to the right, almost going over the line. Then he's gonna go all the way back over to the left, probably. I decided to get in the left lane just to make sure. And then look, he's turning right into the off ramp. Well, left turn signal is still on. What a guy.